Hello friends, welcome all of you to your own YouTube channel Illuminating Group 360 Education. This YouTube channel is designed to provide free education to students, and in this order we have launched a new course for students who are preparing for various competitive examinations along with the entrance examinations related with the law of various law schools and universities. And under this course, we have started giving content in two ways. The first is the theory based, and the second is the question based. And in that sequence, this is the third part of the question bank series, which were started by our team. Two parts are already given on this YouTube channel. If you have not watched the first two parts of this series, may watch the first two parts of the series and then watch the third part of that series. So basically, in this part, we will discuss around 20 questions from question number 41 to question number 61. So now let us start the questions. How many methods are there to amend the Constitution of India? How many methods are there to amend the Constitution of India? Answer will be 3. There are 3 methods for amending the Constitution of India. Question number 42. Quo warranto is writ, statute, treaty, act. Quo warranto is writ, statute, treaty, act. So the answer will be writ. Quo warranto is a writ. Now question number 43. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deal with. Article 350 of the Indian Constitution deal with. So the answer is national emergency. 352 national emergency is related. 356 state emergency is related. 360 financial emergency is related. Okay. Question number 44. Which right was remarked by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और अराउंड 2-3 एग्जामिनेशंस में आ भी चुका है और लगातार पूछा भी जाता है. Which right was remarked by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? So the answer is right to constitutional remedy, Article 32 में. राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इम्यूनिटी आर्टिकल 32 में फंडामेंटल राइट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गारंटीज हाउ मेनी कैटेगरीज ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स? द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन guarantees how many categories of fundamental right? So answer will be 6. The Indian Constitution guarantees how many categories of fundamental rights? Option answer will be C. Question number 46. Which constitutional? Now the next question is 46. Which constitutional amendment incorporated the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Which constitutional amendment incorporated the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Answer will be 42nd. 42nd. Right to property was deleted by which amendment? Question number 47. Right to property was deleted by which amendment? So answer will be 71st. Right to property was deleted by which amendment? 71st. Question number 48 पर चलते हैं. 48 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेसिकली हमारे सामने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. Who said the preamble is the key to the constitution? Who said, किसने कहा the preamble is the key to the constitution? की preamble जो है वो एक की है या फिर एक सोर्स है जो कि हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तक पहुंचाता है. Who said the preamble is the key to the constitution? किसने कहा ये? सो आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. said that constitution the preamble is the key to the constitution. Question number 49. Article 19 of the Constitution of India contains what? Article 19 of the Constitution of India contains what? So the answer will be 6 fundamental freedoms. 6 fundamental freedoms. Article 19 of the Constitution of India contains 6 fundamental freedoms. Question number 50. The chairman of the National Human Rights Commission is appointed by. The chairman of the National Human Rights Commission is appointed by. राष्ट्रीय मानव अधिकार आयोग का जो चेयरमैन होगा उसे कौन नियुक्त करेगा? So answer will be president. Option number B. The president will be the correct answer. Now question number 51. Question number 51 बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Which among the following is not a fundamental right? अभी जो ये DU LLB हुआ था 2020 उसमें ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. Which among the following is not a fundamental right? इनमें से कौन सा fundamental right नहीं है? Question number 51. So right to property is not a fundamental right. It is a constitutional right, but right to property is not a fundamental right. ठीक है, चलिए 52 पर चलते हैं. Question number 52. Rights given in the Constitution are called as fundamental rights because right given in the Constitution are called fundamental rights because 52. What will be the answer? 52 का आंसर क्या होगा? They can be enforced and safeguarded by the courts. They can be enforced and safeguarded by the courts. Rights given in the Constitution are called fundamental right because देखिए ये जो rights हैं जो कि हमें Constitution संविधान में दिए गए उसे मौलिक अधिकार क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि इन्हें कभी भी आप इन्फोर्स कर सकते हैं, इनका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ इनका जो सेफ्टी है, सिक्योरिटी है, वो कोर्ट्स करती हैं. जितनी भी कोर्ट्स हमारे पास हैं, कोर्ट्स जैसे हमारे पास डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स हैं, हाई कोर्ट्स हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स हैं. आर्टिकल 32 स्टैंड्स सस्पेंडेड ड्यूरिंग एन इमरजेंसी अंडर आर्टिकल. Article 32 stands suspended during an emergency under article. So answer will be 352. 352 भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये नेशनल इमरजेंसी होता है. 356 स्टेट इमरजेंसी. 360 फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी. राइट टू प्राइवेसी इज कंटेन्ड इन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. राइट टू प्राइवेसी इज कंटेन्ड इन. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, आर्टिकल 21. Right to privacy is contained in Article 21. Question number 55. Freedom of expression is included in the article. Freedom of expression is included in the article. So answer will be 19, Article 19. Freedom of expression is included in the Article 19. Question number 56. The emergency provisions of the Constitution of India have been borrowed from. The emergency provisions of the Constitution of India have been borrowed from. Answer will be German Constitution. Emergency provisions हमने German Constitution से लिए. Question number 57 पर आ जाते हैं. 57. The concurrent list was adopted from. Concurrent list समवर्ती सूची was adopted from 57th Swiss Constitution. Question number 58. Equality before law and equal protection of law have been modeled on the Constitution of. Equality before law and equal protection of law have been. Equality before law and equal protection of law have been modeled on the Constitution of. So answer will be Britain. Option number A. Question number second last, 59th. Which article of the Constitution of India empower the President to take over the administration of a state on the basis of failure of the constitutional machinery? कौन सा अनुच्छेद प्रधान राष्ट्रपति को ये एडमिनिस्टर करता है कि वह स्टेट की रूल्स रेगुलेशन साथ ही साथ स्टेट के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को अपने हाथों में ले सकता है जब उसे ऐसा लगे कि स्टेट में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मशीनरी का फेलियर हो गया है? सो आंसर विल बी, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था, 352 नेशनल इमरजेंसी, 356 स्टेट इमरजेंसी, 360 फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 356. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इन इंडिया द पावर ऑफ amnesty has been given to? In India, the power of amnesty has been given to the 60 a president. Option number A. ठीक है. Thank you for watching this informative video. Basically, in the respect of this hard work, we want subscription, we want like, share and comment on our education videos. So हम लोग आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारी वीडियोस को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को, हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और जितना हो सके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नीडी स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाएं. साथ ही साथ इस क्वेश्चन बैंक के नेक्स्ट जो हमारे पार्ट्स हैं वो रेगुलर आपके पास आते रहेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग अवर वीडियो. हैव अ गुड डे. This is Illuminating Group 360 by the student for the student.